Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get API key from Google AI Studio. It's a very simple way to get a API key from your Google AI Studio. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser and here just type aistudio.google.com. Type this one on your search bar and click enter here, and this will bring you to this page. Here on the right side of the bottom corner you can see get API key. Click that one, and here you can see all the API key that is available on your Google AI Studio. If you want to create it, just go to the top right corner. Here you can see the create API key option. Select this one and you can name anything. I'm gonna name it test 1, and here you can select a cloud project. You can import project or create project as you like. I'm going to select the default Gemini project here and select key here, and it will create a new key for me. And after that you can see this is the new created key. So if I want to copy this, so all I simply have to click the key option here, and here is the API key. I'm gonna select this copy icon here and it will copy, and I can use this API to my projects. On the left corner you can see the 3 dots. You can select it. You can either rename the key or you can delete the key. If I select this, I can rename it like test2 and click update. It will remain the API key, and I can also delete this and select the delete option and click delete. It will automatically delete my API key. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.